Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ilham Pradana Putra. NIM 34120110049. 1. Theory basic. Solid but soft is a must. Everyone, young or old, man or woman, rich or poor, use one. It be great if you could make your own soap for a living or maybe for your personal needs. By doing this, you can save money from buying expensive commercial soaps. This article provides knowledge for how to make solid bath soap. In chemistry, solid soap is salt of fatty acids which is mainly used as solvents to cleanse the body. Soaps for cleaning are obtained from vegetable or animal oils and fats with strong alkaline solution. Because every day we do activities, soap is okay competent to clean from grease, dirt, dust and grime on the body. You can do home industrial production because solid soap is a primary need that is continually needed by the community. Making your own solid bath soap is one of the unique ways to open up advanced business opportunity. By making your own product, your need to learn training for the correct way of making it, because if the composition of the product is not correct, then the result is not so. Many people start the solid soap business because solid soap is fairly simple as the manufacturing process. For maximum result, try to practice often, but also fun. If you practice often, then you know better result. Here, what you have to do make solid soap. You need safety equipment so that unpleasant things to happen. You can wear a body apron and rubber gloves, and also don't try to this with children or pets around. Material according to the composition with materials such as water, foam and other chemicals. In the process of making solid soap, it's also important to note that the tools must to use an aluminum pan, which is a stainless pan. This is an equipment that will make a soap mixture. After the ingredient are mixed, stir homogeneously so that the ingredients are evenly mixed. You can add essential oil which will give a very fresh perfume. After mix, we'll put in the mold and wait for it to harden for 24 hard result. For additional composition, papaya extracts or milk can be added. In fact, once you make your own soap, you will never go back to buying expensive commercial soap. 2. Tools and material. Tools used: 1. Mixer. 2. 100 ml cup. 3. 1000 ml cup. 4. String rod. 5. Soap mold. Material used: 10 oil, soybean oil 20 grams, olive oil 30 grams, palm oil 100 gram, coconut 100 gram. The working product of making solid bath soap is as follows. 1. The ingredients are which according to the formula and put into a glass beaker. 2. The NiOH solution is carefully poured into the oil until thick. 3. Citric acid and ADTA are added when the solution completely dissolved. 4. Then add a knock and fragrance. 5. The homogeneous solution insert into the mold and allow it to stand for 2 days. Testing procedure. 1. Water content test. Empty cup is wet and expressed as W. The sample is wet much as 4 grams is expressed as W1. In the oven for 2 hours and the certain time until is content. 2. Free alkaline testing. 5 grams of soap is put into the excellent mixture, then 50 ml of ethanol is added. 3 drops of PP indicator are added to the solution. The sample is heated with a relay cooling circuit. The sample is treated with 0.1 change color original color. This is done after the solution boils. Solution. From the experimental result, it can be considered as following. 1. Practice products with the criteria of blue color, lido aroma, and hard texture. 2. Based on free alkali testing, solid bath soap product do not comply with parameter which caused by excess alkali. 3. The water content is not in accord with SNI because too much water is used to dissolve. Terima kasih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.